Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to bring you a review on the latest and greatest in compact computing, the Mac Mini M2. This little guy has been causing a buzz in the tech world, and I'm pumped to dive in and share my thoughts on its features, performance, and design with you all. Let's get started. The M2 Mac Mini is a compact, yet powerful computer that packs a punch. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking for a compact, yet powerful computer that can handle demanding tasks. The design of the M2 Mac Mini is sleek and modern, with a matte finish that looks great on any desk. The computer is small enough to fit in your palm, but it still packs all of the power and features you would expect from a full-sized computer. One of the biggest selling points of the M2 Mac Mini is its performance. The computer is powered by a powerful M2 chip that can handle demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're editing video, playing games, or working with graphic design software, the M2 Mac Mini has you covered. Another great feature of the M2 Mac Mini is its versatility. The computer can be customized to fit your needs, with options for different amounts of RAM, storage, and even an optional external GPU. The M2 Mac Mini also has great connectivity options, with 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports and 2 USB-A ports. This means you can easily connect all of your favorite peripherals and accessories to the computer, without having to worry about compatibility issues. In conclusion, the M2 Mac Mini is a fantastic computer that packs a punch. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking for a compact, yet powerful computer that can handle demanding tasks. With its powerful performance, versatility, and great connectivity options, the M2 Mac Mini is sure to be a hit with anyone looking for a high-quality computer. So, that's it for my review of the M2 Mac Mini. I hope you found it helpful.